Hey, what's up guys, it's Jesse. Welcome back to Brick Design. Today I'm going to show you how to build this wood burning stove or wood stove. It's kind of a challenging build just because it's held together by maybe one or two connection points, which you'll see, but I absolutely love the way it turned out and I hope you enjoy it as well. So grab your bricks and let's build. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely subscribe if you don't already, and if you like other building tutorials and Lego furniture, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Brick Designed. I'll see you guys in the next video.